How to check for apps that can reduce your phone's performance and security on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, and then tap on device care. After that, scroll down and tap on diagnostics. Then in here, tap on app safety diagnostics. If there are any apps that cause issues to your device, it will display in the list here, and from there you can review the app, and if you decided that the app is not good for your device, you can uninstall it, or if it's using up too much battery, you can put it into deep sleep. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.